Hi, beautiful. How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by. If today the first day I see my video, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe, turn up the notification bell in case I upload, you will not miss that. So here I'll be making turkey stew. The turkey I washed, I added onions, so I just want to boil it a little. Add stock seasoning cube here. Some spices. Can add any spices of your choice, guys. That's pepper, dry pepper, to give it little spicy. Little bit of salt. That's all the spices I'm putting. So you can put any spices of your choice. So um after boil a little while, here I am just flipping the chicken or mixing it together, anyone, guys. So our chicken is ready. Our turkey is not chicken, it's turkey. It's ready. So I will be frying it now. I will be frying it. So it's ready. Just mixing it because of the pepper. Mixing it. It's done already. It's done already. So just mixing it. You can see they are very big. I will still need to cut it. Still need to cut it. This one, two in two places or more. So here I am frying the turkey. So my hubby like turkey stew. So this is just quick stew. So after frying, this is my oil. This is just normal regular oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use any oil of your choice. So adding my onion. Now I'm adding the tomato paste. This is regular tomato, so I have to sieve it. That's why it look like this. Now we fry. Come here, see my kitchen. The aroma is calling. The aroma is calling. Stew is ready. ready. The tea is ready. The aroma coming out. Oh my God. Thank you guys for stopping by. God bless you. Please subscribe. Subscription is free. It's free, guys. Please support your sister. And thank you for your love, for your support. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you. See you next time, my next video. Bye.